Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP video update for Monday 25th of July. It's been a late update today, but unfortunately this is the end of the retest. It sucks really a lot, this is just manipulation all the time, break to the upside, come down, hold the retest one, two times, still bouncing off the retest. This was pretty much confirmed to move higher. But then again, you have to compare all the elements with Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin dumps, and then this one dumps, and that's the end of it. Okay, so SOP on itself is never going to be good, and there's a reason why I'm always bringing the Bitcoin updates on the channel every single day, so that you can watch the Bitcoin and what's about to do, so that you can actually estimate SOP along with Bitcoin. So there is this stop loss, of course, at 412 level, and as a matter of fact, the way that you're really closing below this line is really bad. Who knows, tomorrow you can still go back for the retest, pass the retest, and try to even move higher. It's still a possibility, okay? But the thing is, this trend line is getting lost, and that is not a good sign anymore, okay? So what you're looking for right now is again the trap to the downside, and there's a good chance that that might be the end of the pump as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is try to look at a pattern that I do recognize at the moment. So I'm going to remove all the drawings, and I'm just going to bring the line right over there and something right over here. It's almost like you're making a descending triangle, something like this, that you've already broken out of. Yeah, because you're pretty much having some touch there, influence here, influence there as well. One here, two, and now you've broken out of it. So it seems like the next technical target that is coming in for SOP is going to be from here to here, and we're looking for a drop to this level, which is actually going to be 374 at the moment, unless you don't actually do something and you go back up, break this level, backtest this level, then this view to the downside actually gets cancelled. And that's it for today's quick update on SOP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.